this turd smuggler in front of me, he just had to get around me. He had to get around me so he could sit in traffic with me. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. I make my videos on a 2025 Indian Challenger named the Midlife Crisis Mobile. Tell him what's up.
He is bailing my assholes.
What the hell is that all about? Today's the first annual Take Your Ass to the 9W market and get yourself a nice little mason jar of sangria, spiced pear, ribbed for your pleasure. Their sangria, I don't know if they make it or they buy it from somewhere, man. Oh, it's good stuff. So is their food, and you got a filling station there, and you really can't go wrong at the 9W market. It's a beautiful day, sun's out, it's in the 80s. And you know, in a rare oddity, there was no Nissan Altima sightings whatsoever. Crazy, right? Usually there's a Nissan Altima lurking, waiting to pass you like you're standing still. Body parts flailing, different colored. I should say body parts flailing, different colors. But oh wow, they fixed that part of 9W. My Tushy thanks you. It thanks you for all your hard work. What a ride today was, man. Tomorrow morning, I think I'm gonna be up early and out for breakfast. Might as well. You know, I'll say it time and time. You don't have to twist my arm to come out on 9W. But remember who else is waiting. You know who I'm talking about. I don't want to say their name and will them into existence. But they'll be there. They'll be there waiting to wiggle into your nightmares. Oh, I swear to God, I thought that was the dispensary there. Huh. Kind of crazy. What a drastic change the scenery is. Like 20 minutes from the George Washington Bridge. I don't know what's going on. There's a lot of people on the road today. I know what's going on. It's the weekend. Man, I hope they have some. We tried to get it last time when I took Tom to get his motorcycle, and they didn't have any. Like, what the hell? What the hell, man? How is it I've made 5 or 10 minutes on 9W and I have not seen a spandex Spartan? What in the ever-loving hell is going on today? Oh, here they come. Here they come. Spandex Spartans. Today, in our spandex and neon colors, we take back 9W from the motorcycles. I get the need for the loud colors for visibility, but I don't. I really don't. You know, I give them a lot of respect for being in good shape, but you'll never see me hunched over in the spandex doing the old spandex Spartan wiggle. Bunch of bikes here. happy to report Operation Get Sangria from the 9W market was a success. That's right, all our videos are filmed in front of a live studio audience. Sweet Porsche. I will have one when I win the Powerball tonight. Probably not the best idea, huh? What would you expect from a dumbass? Oh man. Get home. Have a nice glass of that. Kick my feet up. Play some Fortnite. Zero build. I believe the mode's called Blitz, where you just play against other players. It's on a small map. It's quick. It's kind of odd to see everybody that I used to play Call of Duty with play Fortnite with me, as well as dudes at work that are all like, yeah, I couldn't do Call of Duty anymore. We all played Fortnite. I also had a Tom's River Blueberry Ale, Summer Ale, rather. Blueberry Summer Ale. Man, that was good. That was real good. I can't be the only one after this winter to be like, man, this heat feels damn good. Oh my God, I don't remember it ever being that cold in December. And I can't tell you how long it's been since we got, like, what was that, 27 inches of snow. Ugh. Yeah, man. Quick little video out on 9W. Enjoying the weather. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday, with the exception of during FIFA, where I may not be able to get out on some of the days because of the 1.2 million people going to the FIFA games at MetLife Stadium. I hope you'll be back next week to watch a video or two. Thanks again for stopping by.